How to grow bird of paradise plant. The leaves of a bird of paradise plant are pale blue-green with a red midrib. This thick, evergreen foliage looks like little banana takes off, joined to a long stalk. As opposed to the banana, however, bird of paradise plants are trunkless. The bird of paradise plant requires full sun, however, it will tolerate delicately shaded positions whenever kept warm. However, its blossoming might be lessened. The plant does best when grown in rich, loamy soil with great waste. The bird of paradise can likewise be grown close to the sea in ocean-side greenery enclosures, as the weathered leaves withstand the salt breeze. Bird of paradise plants can be given manure, for example, compost before new growth starts in spring. The plant will likewise profit by customary feedings, so prepare about at regular intervals amid the growing season. The achievement or disappointment of this plant ordinarily relies upon regardless of whether it gets satisfactory dampness. Spongy soil with poor seepage and lacking watering will make its leaves yellow, and the plant will, in the end, kick the bucket. When growing bird of paradise, you ought to pursue an ordinary watering plan amid the primary growing season to set up a profound, broad root framework. Watering can be decreased after the plant has set up itself. However, it will require sodden conditions all through its growing season. In spite of the fact that the dirt must be kept damp all through spring and summer, the plant ought to be permitted to dry out somewhat between watering amid fall and winter. However, amid the dry winter months, customary clouding of the plant might be expected to deliver the muggy conditions it appreciates. As the bird of paradise plant is accustomed to warm temperatures, anything underneath 50°F, 10°C, ought to be maintained a strategic distance from. Truth be told, the bird of paradise lean towards temperatures of around 65–70 degrees Fahrenheit, 1821°C, for the duration of the day and no under 50°F, 10°C, around evening time. In hot atmospheres, where there is no danger of ice, the bird of paradise can be planted outside.